everybody, welcome to my channel, Missybeelondon as hair. I will be doing a flat twist hairstyle for you. My hair is in 3 sections, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. Now you see me doing the parting the hair in sections and doing the flat twist. Look at it. What do you think? Can you create this style? Is it too early for me to ask this question, even though you've got like maybe 4 more minutes of this video? But yeah, I'm gonna do this little voiceover. This video actually took maybe half an hour to film. I think it was like 25 minutes, but I had to speed it up just for YouTube because I know you guys, I'm not gonna sit on your butt for half an hour to watch me create this style. So I kind of sped it up, but then you can still see the process, what I did to create the style, so to say. So I hope you enjoy. Feedback is feedback, so let me know any feedback, good or bad, and I can improve for the next videos in the future, because it's good to learn and it's good to be able to know my audience understands what I'm doing. Yeah, this is a voiceover from Missybeelondon as hair. I'm not sure if you guys actually like voiceovers as well. Maybe I just make it a quiet video just with music by itself, but I thought let me just do a little voiceover as well. If you don't like it, you just put the volume down and just watch the video without sound. That's a good tip as well. But yeah, I'm still creating this style because it is thin flat twists. You know, you got to make the partings nice and neat, which I am doing. I have the mirror to the side of me. You can't see it, but I can see it because that's what I'm using to make sure the lines, the parting lines, are straight. So yeah, let me continue with this hairstyle. On to the other side of my hair, which you see I'm doing the flat twist again. Oh yeah, I put elastic band at the end of each section, so to say, so it doesn't get loose, because I just twisted it to the end, and you know twist will get loose and it will unravel. So I just put elastic bands when I finished the flat twist on my head, so to say. But yeah, this kind of came out okay. I had another idea in my head, but you know sometimes when you have ideas in your head but it never really comes out properly what you thought it would come out like, because I got a little stuck in the middle, like thinking how would the middle bit be to make it finish and to make it look complete. But yeah, it worked out fine. I kept it in my hair for a couple of days now. I was supposed to wash my hair like a couple of days later, but I got a little bit sick, so, and I got work as well after in a couple of days time, so to say. So you know what, I'll work it out anyway, because I wash my hair more regular nowadays, like every week or every week and a bit I wash my hair. So there, I finished it, and now you're seeing what I'm gonna do next to finish it off and to make it look so good. Do you like my earrings as well? I got them from Kelis Africa. They are on Instagram, Facebook, all social media. They do clothing as well, everything African print stuff. You know what to do. I'll put the information in the description box. I like to rock earrings nowadays because of my big head. But yeah, oh yeah, I use this lovely stretchy hairband now, which I find very good because it causes less tension on my hair. So I love it, love it, love it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.